Little Star. You've arrived. My name is Miss Sunny Bloom, and welcome back to Little Star's Garden. Did you know that every one of us has special star energies that help us understand how we shine, feel, and grow? I was just watching a busy bee choose which flower to visit next, trusting its own instincts to pick the best blossom without second-guessing itself. Have you ever stood between two choices and felt stuck? Or maybe you know someone who worries that if they choose the wrong thing, they'll miss out on something else. Today, we're learning how to trust our own decisions. Just like that bee trusts what flower to visit, so we can choose and move forward with confidence. Let's go have a seat in the garden.
We come to grow, we come to see all the magic in you and me. With hearts so bright, we dream so high, reaching for the stars in the shining sky. Welcome to the Little Stars Garden, where every heart can shine. Together we learn, together we play, spreading our light every day. Welcome to the Little Stars Garden, where dreams begin to grow. So come along, sing our song, let your little star glow. Little Stars Garden, let's shine.
Last time, we met Libra energy. Amazing at fairness, but sometimes it pauses too long deciding. Today, we'll look at how to train our trust muscle so we can choose and move forward with confidence. Picture yourself at snack time, cupcake or cookie. Your brain then fires up 3 busy zones and starts a swirl called the decision fog. Idea Park lists every pro and con. Worry Alarm whispers, pick wrong, you'll be sorry. Energy Tank stores mental energy and leaks fuel the longer you take to decide. When the fog stays thick, we freeze. Snooze. But if you choose cookie, click. Idea Park flashes a green go light. The brain pops dopamine, a happy sparkle that feels like an inner high five. That sparkle sends a message. Trust works. Each time we follow our confidence loop, pause, choose, check, we build stronger brain pathways called fast tracks. Next decision, zoom. The confidence loop is a 4-step mini cycle you can use anytime a choice feels foggy, big or small, at home, school, or play. Pause and breathe. Hand on heart, 1 slow breath. Calms worry alarm. Feel and think. Ask, what do I need? What do others need? Choose and commit. Say, I pick blank. Then give yourself a proud thumbs up. Check and learn. After you try it, ask, did that work? What will I keep for next time? For example, if you choose to draw instead of play outside, did that feel good, or would you pick differently next time? Remember, trust isn't about rushing. It's knowing you made a fair choice and standing tall with it. Even if you adjust later, you still practice trusting yourself. Even if Libra isn't your special star energy, we all have moments when we wonder, which path should I take? Remember, when you pause, listen to your heart and your mind. You can trust yourself to choose and keep moving forward. Our word of the day is trust. Trust means believing in yourself and your choices, even when you feel unsure. On the count of 3, let's say trust together. 1, 2, 3. Trust.
Left or right, fast or slow. Sometimes I stop, I just don't know. But deep inside, there's a sound that says you've got this, stand your ground. It's okay to pause, take your time, check how it feels, then choose your line. There's no need to rush or hide. I can trust what grows inside. I can choose, I know what's true, even when there's more than 2. My inner compass, bold and bright, helps me pick what feels just right. I can choose, I take the lead, trust myself in what I need, big or small,
Wonderful! Can you think of a time when you trusted yourself to make a good decision, even if someone else had a different idea? Now, let's see how Harmony and Blaze learn to trust their own choices.
Hi, little stars. I'm Harmony, and I love making sure everyone feels respected and heard.
And I'm Blaze. I'm full of energy and love to leap right into action.
Blaze, I know you want to play tag outside, but I'm feeling a little nervous about running fast today.
I really want to burn off energy, but I don't want you to feel left out if I go on without you.
I'm stuck. If I say no, I'll disappoint you. If I say yes, I might feel too scared and freeze up.
And if I start tag without you, you might feel like I didn't care about your feelings.
Harmony, Blaze. Fairness means trusting your own needs and sharing them kindly. Harmony, what do you need right now?
I need a calm start, something quiet to help me feel safe.
Blaze, how can we include Harmony's need without skipping your energy?
How about we begin with a gentle stretching game together, then play tag when Harmony feels ready?
I trust myself to say what I need.
And I trust Harmony's choice. Let's stretch.
See how sharing your true needs and trusting each other helps everyone feel good? Remember today's shine line, little stars. I trust myself to choose and move forward. It's craft time, little stars. We're making a choice check card that's big enough to write on and folds neatly into your pocket. You will need one 5x8 cardstock rectangle, markers or pens, 2 stickers, a star or a smiley face and a green sticker, and a washi tape hinge or paper clip. Feel free to pause the video while you gather your supplies, or if you need a little more time to complete a step. I'll be right here when you're ready. Fold your cardstock into 3 wide panels. On the left panel, write me. On the right panel, write others. And on the center panel, write my choice in big letters. In the me panel, draw or write what you need. In the others panel, draw or write what someone else needs. Close the me and others panels over the center. Place your smiley face sticker or star sticker on the panel that feels best without peeking. Then open the center, write your choice, and add the green sticker. See how roomy these panels are? I wrote Quiet Time under me and Team Fun under others, then chose Team Fun. Remember, every time you use your choice check card, you practice believing in yourself. You're building a habit of confidence with each decision you lock in. Let's say our shine line together. I trust myself to choose and move forward. Little stars, today we're practicing how to trust our choices, and our bodies can help. When we make small decisions, like which way to move, it builds our confidence for bigger decisions too. This move is called crossroad jumps. It's fun, it's energizing, and it helps you practice picking a direction, just like when you make a choice in real life. Stand tall with your feet together at your center crossroad. Jump and land gently to the left, saying, I choose. Jump back to the center and say, I trust. Jump to the right again, say, I choose. Back to the center, I trust. Let's try it together. Left, I choose. Center, I trust. Right, I choose. Center, I trust. Nice work. Each time you jump, your brain has to make a quick decision and follow through. This helps your brain feel confident about making choices in school, at home, or with friends. And just like we learned on our show today, Choosing isn't about being perfect. It's about moving forward with trust. Let's do one more round. Ready? Left, I choose. Center, I trust. Right, I choose. Center, I trust. You did it! You're building decision-making power with every jump. Remember, little stars, you can always pause, choose, and trust yourself to go forward. Let's say our shine line together. I trust myself to choose and move forward.
The air feels calm, the season's slow. It's a quiet time to learn and grow. I check inside, then look around. My energy keeps me safe and sound. Some days I share, some days I wait. I choose with care, I don't debate. I trust my spark, both kind and strong. It's been with me all along. I know my shine, I know my way. Even when skies turn quiet gray, I can feel and still be bold. My light is mine to shape and hold. Deep in my heart, I know what's true, what's just for me, what I walk through. I pause, I breathe, I let things go. That's how my energy starts to grow.
Today, we talked about making choices, even when it's hard. We made our choice check cards, practiced crossroad jumps, and saw how Blaze helped Harmony feel confident about her decisions. This week, practice making one choice all by yourself. It could be picking your snack, deciding what to wear, or choosing what game to play. Just remember, you can pause, think, and then choose. And even if you change your mind later, that's okay too. That means you're learning and growing. Let's say our shine line again so we remember. I trust myself to choose and move forward. You've got this, little star. Let's do our starlight, star bright breath to feel calm and confident. Close your eyes if you like. Picture a glowing star in your heart. Breathe in, breathe out.
As you keep breathing, imagine your shining star growing brighter with every inhale. Feel any worry or tension float away with each exhale, like little clouds drifting off into the sky. Give yourself one more gentle breath in and a long, calming breath out.
Now, open your eyes and see how calm you feel. You are a bright star just by being you. Thank you for sharing your light with me today. Until next time, keep shining in our little star's garden. Bye-bye. Want more music, laughs, and fun? Don't miss Garden Grooves next Saturday. It's a sing-along celebration with bonus songs, games, and our special puppet host. Get ready to groove and glow. It's craft time, little stars. Today, we're making a feeling clue envelope, a special place to keep clue cards to help us understand our emotions. Hi, grown-ups. Libra energy is thoughtful and kind, but sometimes it makes decisions feel really big. Your child may second guess, hesitate, or want you to choose for them. Learning to trust their own voice is a powerful life skill. Here are a few gentle ways to help at home. Give low-stakes choices. Offer simple win-win options like, do you want the red cup or the blue one? Small choices build confidence for bigger ones later. Use a choice check tool. Try a decision-making flower, like our choice check card. What helps you feel calm when choosing? Seeing options laid out visually makes things feel less overwhelming. Talk through both sides. Instead of solving it for them, say, what would happen if you choose blank? And what if you chose blank? You're coaching them to think, not just react. Celebrate the act of choosing. Even if it's not the perfect decision, say, you picked something and followed through. That's brave. Validate the wobble. If they regret a choice or feel unsure, normalize it. Sometimes it's hard to know right away. You're learning what feels best for you. With your steady support, your little Libra star will grow into a thoughtful, empowered decision maker. One kind choice at a time.
Little stars garden, let's shine.